If you're looking for dehydrated dog food, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, most popular, by Honest Kitchen. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Spot Farms. Number 3. Get your favorite dehydrated dog food now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Honest Kitchen. Number 5, by Primal Pet Foods. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.